Hi, this is Kishore Kumar. Today in this video I will explain to you a method to auto calibrate this model of multimeters. Suppose if you have a multimeter resembling this model, and the make can be anything like Habo test, Kaiwitz or HTC and its clones. Habo test and Kaiwitz, the model number is HT118A and HT118E, and HTC make the model number is DM98. I will explain to you how to auto calibrate this model of multimeter of any brand. There are many clones. See, it is very easy. There's no need of inserting a probe or any calibrator. The procedure is to press the function and backlight switch at the same time and bring this knob to ohms position and take off your fingers. See, I will show you. Press. Take your hand. See, it is auto calibrating. It will take a few minutes. You have to press this function and backlight buttons at the same time and bring this knob to ohms position. Just a few seconds. When these terminal lights are blinking, you can stop the procedure. So over. So the calibration is over. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, please post it in the comment box. Thank you.